This is the Sunu Band S. And it says that it is the world's first smartwatch that enhances the navigation experience for the visually impaired by combining echolocation technology with precision haptic feedback. Upon opening the box, you see that we have some literature here, and it does have Braille on it. It says life is either a daring adventure or nothing, Helen Keller. And of course we have a picture of the band itself, Sunu Band S, and they give you a little sticker. And here is the actual band. And on that band there is a sonar sensor, a touch pad, there are 2 buttons, a micro USB port, and a belt and buckle clasp. The Sunu Band also comes with a USB charging cord.